Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Spanish Town Depot for JUTC and we are going to show you the longest buses in Jamaica. These are the articulated buses that the JUTC uses. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on these buses. Now, recently, the JUTC switched to bringing in CNG buses. I think probably about 200 buses out of the JUTC fleet are CNG buses. Some are diesel, but the JUTC still uses these articulated buses, especially on the busy routes. Now, you can clearly see the articulated buses, and then at the back, this is one right here. You can see it has the, I guess you could say, the bend or in the middle so the bus can turn easily. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. But the JUTC still has quite a few of these buses in use. And they recently, in the 2024-25 year, started to refurbish these buses to get more into use. The introduction of articulated buses by the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, marked a major step in improving public transport across Kingston and surrounding areas. These long, high-capacity, bendy buses, about 18 meters or 60 feet in length, can carry over 100 passengers, helping to ease overcrowding on busy bus routes between Portmore, Spanish Town, and Kingston. JUTC began operating articulated buses in the early 2010s, adding models from Volvo and Golden Dragon. They were designed with low floors for easy boarding and provided a more comfortable, efficient travel experience. Their introduction reduced long wait times and improved commuter flow during peak hours. However, the maintenance and infrastructure challenges affected their performance. The buses require skilled servicing and suitable terminal space, and over time some fell into disrepair due to limited parts and funding. In response, the government launched a refurbishment and fleet renewal program in 2024-25, restoring several articulated units and improving reliability. Despite setbacks, articulated buses remain vital for high-demand routes. They offer an economical, climate-friendly way to move large numbers of passengers through Jamaica's urban centers. With continued maintenance and investment, these buses will continue to support modern, efficient, and sustainable public transport for the future. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think about these articulated buses. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.